I got Scotty mate with me, and we're on the way to have a look at a new car. So we're about half an hour away from our destination. Been driving for a bit over an hour. And what do you reckon? You reckon this will be a good purchase?
I reckon it's going to be an excellent purchase.
Yeah, I'm hoping so. So I won't ruin the surprise.
But we can say it is probably a bit of an upgrade.
I'd say it'll be an upgrade. I won't ruin the surprise. I won't tell you what it is just yet, but we'll go and we'll have a look, and if it pans out, we'll see. If it doesn't, I'll just delete this footage. So if you're seeing this, we're on. What do you reckon?
Let's go.
I'm excited.
I didn't record anything of the test drive or the purchase of the car, but what I can say is that I'm pretty well about to make one of the dumbest financial decisions of my adult life.
Righto guys, are you ready for the reveal? Boom! I just bought the roughest Honda Accord Euro in Australia, and I saved a heap of money because, well, I may have lowballed.
Excellent.
In all honesty, I actually was prepared to spend a fair bit more, but it's just rough. But yeah, here it is.
VTEC, baby.
Look at that VTEC, that Honda life.
This will decimate all after you put about 15 grand in it or more if we have to. Overnight parts from Japan.
Yeah, she pretty rough. Pretty rough. But what do you do? So this will be the new race car build to replace this one.
Bye, Felicia.
So, first impressions of my new purchase is, what the hell did I just buy?
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
Like, this thing is rough. Like, this is proper rough. But you know what? We're going to do a build series. We're going to make this car sick.
Ah, shit. Here you go again.
This is going to be every 16, 17-year-old boy's dream car, if they were like from my era anyway.
From when you blow your wad, man.
I'm going to go full VTEC, full Honda fanboy with this. I'm gonna play with this. This is going to be fun.
Seriously, man. You're retarded sometimes.
Like, this isn't going to be like the Mazda where I'll leave it standard. Like, this is getting ripped apart because, you know what, these are a heavy car. I don't want a heavy car to race. I want to make this thing light. So, light, big horsepower. Yeah, I'm not turboing or anything. I'm still going to keep it for the championship that I run in, which is the New South Wales Hill Climb, road registered under 2.5 litres class. So, you know, we're going to stick to that. But yeah, this car is terrible. I love it. I'm not taking it home though, because I reckon my missus would shoot me. So we're going straight to Hunter Valley Performance. Let's go.
Later that same evening.
Is that
First impressions.
Is that Mr. VTEC? I like your steering wheel colour. Can I have it?
Yes, you can. It's flash, isn't it?
Very nice.
Very nice.
This is a very good
sunroof. You got sunroof. What a sunroof. Hey?
You got space.
Oh, look at that.
Fucking piss in there.
Oh.
Give him a shower.
Fix it.
Found it?
Right, involving a big
Uh,
Yeah, when he went to the test drive,
race dog.
didn't feel
Hey, bud.
the VTEC was actually
Oh, this is a
What's that naughty little puppy in there?
What does that say, Maddie?
VTEC.
VTEC.
Oh, that says pop bang.
Pop bang, pop bang.
Bye. Bum bum.
So what do you reckon? It's just choked up.
It's just, how old is it? 2007?
Jack just took it for a drive. 2004.
It's just a 2004 model, I think, to be honest with you. It's just been a car for that long. Bit of an engine flush, like Scotty said, bit of opening up, bit of a filter, some handling mods, man. I think you've got a pretty good car.
No,
Politely. I don't want to say too much and ruin my own chances, but
I need a small one. I don't think I got one.
no, you've done well here, bro.
Well,
Are you gonna fade away now? Into the distance?
I don't know. Nah, she's pretty. Needs a few little things. Needs a mirror. The paint on the roof is cooked proper. And then yeah, it just needs a few little cosmetic things. I don't know what to do with this paint. I don't know whether we should respray it or just run it. But yeah, it'll be the replacement for this one. So the car's been here for all of 5 seconds and Matty's already stuck a bloody sticker on there. And what are you doing, Scott? Hey, what are you doing? That's my car, mate. Jesus.
Like it.
You don't like it?
No.
Oh,
Fuck me, dude.
wow.
I've seen better fucking wings on Hyundais. Fucking, that's just all yuck. Oh, look at that.
Jesus Christ.
No, we're going to do that.
Oh, I don't know. Put it through the windscreen or something?
No, we're going to put the front bar into the splitter. Look at that.
Oh, that actually looks all right, doesn't it?
Fucking fits perfect.
Yeah, that looks cool.
Yep.
All right, let's do
A
that.
bit of duct tape and we're on.
Oh, let's get it in the air and see what's going on underneath it.
That might be scary.
Yeah, well, I'm hoping it's not scary. That's the thing.
Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit. Yeah.
One eternity later.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, it's leaking horsepower, Jason.
Oh, no.
Everywhere.
It's leaking horsepower.
So that was about 2.
It's leaking all the horsepower.
It's got so much horsepower just bleeding out of it.
That's probably why it's not
It's not leaking as much as mine because it's not running.
You know why it's leaking oil? Because I put oil in it when I went up there to have a look at it because it had none.
Look, smoke coming out of it, Jason.
Oh, yes, yes.
How much all the smoke coming out?
Ooh.
Well, so we have a nice chassis to start with here.
Okay.
We can press a couple of little buttons on this buzzer box and turn it into something that people will actually like to see go around the track, Jason.
I think it's going to be a good thing.
Snip, snip.
Yep.
Snip, snip.
You now have to
Oh, yeah.
learn how to work on a Honda, Jason.
Yes.
Dicks for fingers, fingers for dicks.
Cut and paste, I reckon.
Look at the size of that exhaust factory, hey?
That is actually pretty big.
Honda know how to make an exhaust pipe rough the manifold.
Yeah.
But they restrict it right there. And then, oh, look at that.
Yeah, it's very restricted.
Yeah, it's like your laser
And then look,
exhaust.
look.
Yes.
There's even smaller. Right at the back.
Oh,
Oh, what do you reckon? Good base?
yeah, we can make something out of this.
Excellent. That's what I like to hear.
Next minute.
So there you have it. I have a great base to work with and a great sponsor to do the work on the car. If you're in the Hunter Valley area and you need performance work done or general servicing or even a pink or blue slip, these guys are the guys to go to. Hunter Valley Performance, 40 Green Street, Talara, open 5 days a week.
Oh, well. We have left Hunter Valley Performance. We've just eaten my favourite food. Whew. I'm sweating. Tears coming out of my eyes and they're hot. How was your dinner?
Yeah, very good.
Very good?
Can't complain with probably the best takeout food you can get.
Yeah.
You can't change your mind.
Yeah, no, I love it. Anyway, thank you, GYG. And thank you guys for watching. That was getting the Honda Accord Euro K24A2 spicy motor.
VTEC.
VTEC, yo. Saying I'm a VTEC kid. Am I cool enough to be a VTEC kid?
Oh, of course. But if anyone else disagrees, put it in the chat.
Yeah, put it in the chat. We might even keep this video going. Maybe. Nah, probably not. Let's just end it. Bye-bye.